Okay, today we're talking about the VFD option that we offer at Imperial Systems and how it works. What we do is we set the VFD up for automatic speed control using the DigiHelic differential pressure controller to monitor static pressure on the dirty side of the collector. To set this up, what we do is first we determine the system airflow by taking air readings. To run the system in a manual mode, we set the manual auto speed selector switch internal to the panel to manual mode. To do this, de-energize the panel, open it, and flip the switch to manual mode. Once you're in manual mode, you can use the keypad on the VFD to change speed. To manually adjust the speed on the VFD, you enter the menu button by menu or monitor, then go down to frequency reference and press OK. Once you're here, you press the green button to get to where you can edit it. Once you want to edit it, you press the right button to go to a single digit editing, and then go over to the value you want to change. We'll drop this down to 40 Hertz and press OK. That accepts it, and it's ready to run. You can press the back button to go back to the main menu so you can see the run characteristics. And then start the system, and it will run at 40 Hertz as programmed in the frequency reference. Once we take airflows using a pitot tube and a manometer to measure air velocity, you determine the static pressure you want the system to operate at. And once you have that value, you can go in and program the static pressure. What we'll do is we'll go in and program this to operate at 1-inch water column static pressure, and it will automatically seek that. You go back into the parameters menu now, the P parameters, hit OK, and go down to parameter 10 for PID control. Once you're at parameter 10, you press OK, and then you go down to parameter 10.11 for keypad reference. Once you're at P10.11, you press OK to enter it, and then press OK again to edit it. We're going to set this at 1, so if you press the right key, it will give you a single digit edit. Go over to the 5 there, and we're going to drop that to 0. And that brings it to 1-inch water column, so press OK. Once you set the differential or static pressure at 1-inch water column, you can exit back to the main menu. To run this in auto mode, you go back into the panel and switch the auto speed control switch from manual back to auto. Once it's in auto now, it's programmed to seek 1-inch of water column static pressure when it's running. So when you start the motor, it'll seek 1-inch water column, and it takes about 30 seconds to stabilize and seek the value we programmed, but it will seek it and run that value.